Hi, I'm Dr. Kim Martin, owner and clinic director of North Shore Health Solutions in Chicago. I specialize in tough and challenging cases, such as those suffering from insomnia and sleep disorders. Now, a question that you should ask any practitioner that you are thinking of working with is, what is the success rate of your patients under your care? Currently, my success rate is over 85%. Factors that may influence this are lifestyle changes, dietary changes, patient compliance, and follow-through. How long has the problem been there? Realistic goals. The bottom line, the care plans I give my patients work and work well, provided they follow and actually do the care plan given to them. If you are tired of being tired, call my office today to schedule your consultation to see if you qualify for our program.